Visit a different part of Great Britain and experience new activities, see new sights and attractions, and learn about the culture and history in the friendly east of England. We have the best overall climate in the country, so ideal for all year-round travel, with unspoilt beaches, coast, and countryside. This is the place to connect with nature. Explore vibrant cities, market towns, and picture postcard villages. We've been here for thousands of years. This is where you can walk in the footsteps of kings and queens, through historic houses, castles, cathedrals, and gardens, and where you'll find the largest number of ancient churches in Europe. There are so many things to experience, see, and do across the region, and where you can get absorbed in art galleries and superb museums. A place where the movies were made. Enjoy characterful and traditional pubs where you can meet the locals. Take afternoon tea, visit vineyards, breweries and distilleries, and taste local seafood and produce in pubs, cafes and restaurants, with luxury and boutique hotels and guest houses where you can rest your head. Our special relationship with the USA goes way back, and it's easy to get here. We're ready to welcome you. Visit East of England.